What do you call this hairstyle?
Bunny ears?
Bunny ears?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're going to be making my daughter's hair today. So we're going to be making the hairstyle she has just shown you as the bunny ears. So first thing I'm going to do is I am going to part the hair into two sections. The front is going to be smaller and the back is going to be a much bigger section. So we're going to part it that way, and I'll start doing the back first, and then I would focus on the front so you can see exactly how I'm going to bring out this hairstyle. So after parting it, I am going to moisturize the hair and detangle it, because as you can see the hair looks really tangled. For some reason, because of how a hair texture is, it does tangle quite a lot, so a lot of detangling process has to happen with the hair. So I usually use conditioner mixed with water to spray on and then nicely detangle. I think I showed that process in one of my previous videos. And then I went in with hair cream and then hair gel, just so it can lay down nice and smooth. So I just packed the first section so it's out of the way while I did the back. So with the back section, I'm just applying gel now because I've done the back already. I didn't have to show that on camera because it would not have been clear enough to see. So with the front, I'm just applying gel now, letting it sleep nicely. Actually, before I go in doing the front, I just thought I would just finish the back completely. So I've got this colorful hair bubbles, it's the fabric type, and I'm just putting that in each of the bubble I made on her hair. Or what's this thing called? Is it like the puff? Or the donuts that I have made on each section of the hair. So I'm just putting this colorful band, bubble, whatever you want to call it, just so it can really pop. I'm using different colors. I thought I'll just use one color all the way through, but when I looked at it, I just thought let's add some color to it. So I've used pink, green, and some other colors. Yeah, I think it's mostly pink I've used, and then I've used like a pink hairband. No, not hairband. Pink something as the pink flower, as you can see there, to pack it nicely. And then I'm not doing the front. I'm adding gel, as you can see. And I would also add some edge control to the front of the hair. And I'm also going to show you what the products I'm using. So I'm using Petals styling gel, and I'm also using this what's that thing called, the edge control, just so the front can be laid nicely. Now the problem with this kind of hairstyle, especially for kids that have got natural hair, is it gets scattered very quickly. The only reason why I did this hairstyle, because it's not exactly what she wanted, was she has a birthday party in an hour, and I just wanted something that is nice and quick, and it's not just packing it in one ponytail. I wanted something that would like make her like stand out and make the hair pop, which is why I'm doing this hairstyle, because it's also really quick. So now I'm just brushing all the essentials I've added onto the hair, and brushing it nicely down, and then I'm just gonna pack it. And now after packing the hair, I'm going to comb. So I'm holding down the hair while I'm combing the tips. Now the reason why this has to be well laid is just so by the time I weave it, it can blend nicely with the extension I'm going to be adding. So I'm using Kinky to achieve this hairstyle, because if I'm using just the hair, because it's not long enough to give it that long look, I'm just twisting it, and then I would start putting the Kinky. Okay, so I'm just going to be using this Kinky in this, it's called the Rosemary Kinky, and it's the fuller pack. And when I cut the tip of the kinky, I usually just stretch it out. I'm not sure why it gets stretched out, but that's what I was told you need to do, so I'm just doing it. And so I'm also using this what's this pin called? Crochet pin. That's it. I'm using crochet pin to pass the hair in between this her natural hair. I used 3 strands, like 3 packs. So the kinky has it comes in each piece, so I'm using 3 pieces. I passed it in between the hair, and then I've just carried a small strand and I'm just wrapping it, almost like if you're doing packing gel. That's the way I did this, just to achieve the really strong, nice look. So I've just used some part of the kinky, just wrapped it around, so her natural hair is not showing at all, and then I've just sandwiched her natural hair into the kinky. Next, I'm just going to nicely brush it out, and then I am going to start putting the band in and start making the puff look. So first is this big pink band. Then I'm going in now with the second band. So the 2 things I'm doing. I'm using like the small elastic band first to hold the hair nicely in place, and then I'm using the bigger band to cover the elastic band. And then for the tip, I've just rolled the edge of the tip, and then I'll just put the elastic band all the way through. And then finally, I am covering the whole hair with the bigger bubble. She's trying to smile and not smile at the same time. And yeah, that's how final look. How does she look? Oh, she's so pretty. Yes, that's my daughter. How did I do with the hair? Let me know in the comment section down below. And that's it, guys. See you later. Bye.